Hello, and welcome to Everyday Networking. Let's start with a simple idea. Every interaction with another human being is an opportunity to network. Whether you're chatting with a colleague in the hallway, asking a question in a meeting, or even standing in line at a coffee shop, these are all moments where you can build a positive impression. So what is networking? At its core, networking is about building relationships, not just collecting contacts. It's about creating authentic connections that are mutually beneficial over time. Why is this important? Well, according to Faison, professional networking is a critical factor in career success, offering access to mentorship, job opportunities, and industry insights. It's not just about who you know, it's about who knows you and what they remember about you. Networking builds social capital, the trust, reciprocity, and shared knowledge that helps you grow professionally. Now let's talk about the how. You don't need to wait for a formal event. Everyday networking happens when you show genuine interest in others, ask thoughtful questions like, what's something exciting you're working on? And listen actively and follow up later. Christy Hunter Arscott suggests that instead of worrying about what to say, focus on what to ask. Move from small talk to meaningful conversations. Here's why so many people drop the ball. Follow up. Following up is what turns a moment into a relationship. It can be as simple as sending a thank you email, sharing an article related to your conversation, reaching out to LinkedIn with a personal note. Follow-up shows that you value the connection and want to keep it alive. Let me give you a few quick examples. You meet someone at a conference, you follow up with a LinkedIn message, and later invite them to a webinar you're hosting. A colleague asks you a great question during a lecture of keen interest to you. You email them a resource later and invite them to further discussion of the topic. You compliment a colleague's presentation and later ask if they'd like to co-present at a future event. Each of these is a seed planted for future collaboration. Final thoughts. Make it a habit. To wrap up, networking isn't a one-time event. It's a mindset. Every day you have opportunities to build your professional community. Be curious, be kind, and be consistent. And always, always follow up. Thank you for your time and attention today. And here we have the resources that we referred to in our presentation. Enjoy your everyday networking.